Hey guys, today I want a minimal ingredient snack, so here's what I'm making. So we are going to start off by getting our favorite chicken nuggets, and we are just going to place 3 per wrap on a baking sheet. And while that goes, we're just going to chop up some romaine lettuce just into small bites. In the meantime, I have my oven preheating to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, but follow the package instructions according to your chicken nugget. Now, because my romaine was so big, that's the kind of lettuce I'm using, but you can use any one you like. But because it was so big, I'm going to save half for another time or another meal, because I can easily make Caesar salad out of it. And then speaking of Caesar, I'm going to take some Caesar salad dressing. And I'm just going to start with a little bit. You don't want to overdress this, obviously. And I am also going to add on some Parmesan cheese to mix in with it. Just about a tablespoon or 2. And then I'm just going to mix it until well combined. And now that our oven has preheated, cook it according to package instructions. In my case, I'm going to do 18 minutes and then I'm going to let them set for 2. In the meantime, I am majorly into music, like I grew up singing, doing all that sort of stuff. So if you have any music recommendations, the only thing I don't really do is like really graphic stuff and rap and country. So leave your suggestion down below. And the artist or band name might help too. And now mine says to let them set or sit for about 2 minutes, so I am just going to do that, but you don't have to if yours doesn't require you to. So for this next part, you have one of 2 options. So you can either serve this like a Caesar salad with your breaded chicken nuggets being your croutons and protein, or what I am going to do is I'm going to take these Smart Fiesta tortillas and I am going to make a wrap. The other thing I should point out with this, if you want bacon in the salad part, you can easily do that, but I would just omit the croutons because the chicken nuggets kind of act like that. But you can have bacon if you want it really salty, or you can do anything else to do with the veg. You can even do like peppers and onions and make it like fajita. Ooh, maybe with a bit of fajita seasoning on your chicken nuggets, even with the peppers and onions, that would be good. Now let's assemble. So I am simply just going to start with my salad. Very simply, couple chicken nuggets. I am doing 3 per wrap, or you can do a bit more if you're doing it in salad form, and that's all there is to them. And now just simply wrap this up as best as you can. Man, I may have packed it a bit too full. Yep. Now let me get a shot of this for you before I devour. So this recipe is so good, it's just so simple, has very minimal ingredients, and chicken nuggets you can do anything with. I might have a recipe, but don't quote me on that, coming later on in the month for a chicken nugget casserole. Sorry. And it is just going to be a month of enjoying what I eat, as per usual, because I enjoy like everything I eat. So if that sounds good to you, stay tuned. Welcome to my kitchen, and let's see what I am cooking next. A banana.